San Juan High School. I'm with
Miss Crackle.
Okay. When did you start growing the plants?
So I've been growing plants for quite a long time, like at home, but I thought that school can be stressful. There's been a lot going on here, so I thought it'd be a good way to bring a little bit of like happy energy into a little corner of the classroom.
How long did it take?
So we just started this last week, so hopefully in the next couple of weeks we'll get a better idea of where we're going to be at. But we're going to move them outside and keep them growing, so we're getting there.
How many are they?
So we have tomatoes, peppers, strawberries, cilantro, sage, parsley. We got a little bit of everything so that hopefully something will work.
And what are your plans in the future for these vegetables?
So this all kind of started with the gardening club, which is full of a lot of seniors, and their big push was to get some salsa done by the end of the year. So we're hoping that everything grows big enough so by the end of the year we can make some salsa, maybe have it at the senior picnic, and we'll be good to go.
Thank you.
Thanks.